Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mixed media paste. Mixed media paste is a versatile art material designed to add incredible texture and dimension to your creative projects. It's essentially a thick, often opaque medium that can be applied to various surfaces like canvas, wood, or even paper. Once dry, it forms a durable, hard surface, perfect for further embellishment. Think of it as a foundational layer for your artistic vision. Now, let's talk about application. You can use a palette knife or spatula to spread the paste smoothly or create interesting textures by dragging your tools through it. For intricate designs, stencils are your best friend, allowing for raised patterns. Remember to apply in relatively thin layers. This helps the paste dry more efficiently, typically within 20 to 30 minutes, depending on thickness and humidity. Experiment with different tools for unique effects. Once your paste is applied, the fun truly begins with coloring and embellishing. You can mix acrylic paints directly into the wet paste to create colored texture from the start. Alternatively, once the paste is completely dry, you can paint over it using various art mediums like acrylics, inks, or even watercolors. Don't forget to embed small objects such as beads or glitter into the wet paste for added sparkle and dimension. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's ensure your beautiful artwork stands the test of time. It's crucial to allow your mixed media paste to fully cure, which typically takes at least 24 hours, depending on the thickness. After curing, apply a clear sealant or varnish. This protective layer prevents chipping, enhances durability, and preserves the integrity of your piece. You can choose between a matte or gloss finish to achieve your desired aesthetic. Your masterpiece is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.